I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's 100% free. You're one click away from improving your health. If your health is important to you, click subscribe now.
Gathered from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, the Australian essential oil, eucalyptus, comes with 10 amazing health benefits. 10 colds and fevers. Eucalyptus, due to its antibacterial properties, can rid yourself of congestion and runny noses via inhalation of vapors. 9 hair treatment. If you ever need to nourish and moisturize your hair, rub a blend of eucalyptus and other oils into your scalp to get those hair follicles running again. 8 skin treatment. Similar to the last entry, simply rub a eucalyptus blend onto your skin in order to get it moist and smooth. 7 acne treatment. Using a blend of eucalyptus and water can kill any pores and blemishes on your skin while moisturizing said skin at the same time. 6 mental stress. When mental exhaustion comes around, just inhale eucalyptus oil vapors to resuscitate yourself and your mind. 5 wounds. Because of its antiseptic nature, eucalyptus can heal and recuperate any cuts, burns, and bruises on your body. 4 muscle pains. With a skin massage of eucalyptus oil, any leg or arm muscle pains will quickly be wiped away. 3 asthma. Rubbing a mere few drops of eucalyptus onto your chest can open up the blood vessels and treat the respiratory symptoms of asthma. 2 deodorant. A blend of eucalyptus and water can be a magnificent deodorant replacement for your body due to its aroma and antibacterial properties. 1 arthritis. Using a blend of eucalyptus and other oils can relieve yourself of any joint pains and sores caused by arthritis. Have you used eucalyptus essential oil before? Share your experience in the comments below.
Thank you for watching. I have a small favor to ask you. Like this video with a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and finally, please subscribe.